Hi everyone, welcome to Elite Expertise. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important topics for overseas pharmacists. That is, how to become an overseas pharmacist in New Zealand. Well, when it comes to becoming a pharmacist in New Zealand, things become completely different. Because majority people think it's as similar as becoming a pharmacist in Australia. And they are not completely wrong, because the common pathway towards becoming a pharmacist in these countries is OPRA examination. But things get entirely changed when it comes to what after OPRA. So today we will discuss some exciting details about how you can become a pharmacist in New Zealand and some important tips and tricks that can help you in your journey of becoming an overseas pharmacist. Let's begin. Number one, let's talk about eligibility. The very common eligibility criteria to become a pharmacist in New Zealand is that you must have a pharmacy degree, that is Bachelor's of Pharmacy or a Doctorate of Pharmacy. But there is more than that. You also need to be registered with your state pharmacy council in your home country in order to prove that you have an active licensure. Once the eligibility is done, now it's time for skill assessment, which will be conducted by the Pharmacy Council of New Zealand. This is just another way to understand whether your degree, your understanding, your knowledge is at par with New Zealand standards or not. They also want to know whether it's okay for you to give OPRA examination or not. Now comes the OPRA examination. Once skill assessment is done, then you have to sit for the OPRA examination. As you might be aware, that OPRA examination is an online computer-based test with 120 multiple choice questions, major focus on therapeutics. This examination has no negative marking, but the determination of your score is being done by RASH methodology. And the best part is, this OPRA examination, you need not to go anywhere. You can take this examination in your home country. Centers are available across the globe. This examination is conducted 3 times a year, and you can take this examination at any age. There is no age bar. And if you wish to know more about OPRA examination and how you can ace it in your very first attempt, just contact Elite Expertise, or you can comment down OPRA in the comment section. One of our admin managers will try to reach out to you to resolve your queries. Once your OPRA examination is done, then it's time for New Zealand Pharmacy Legislation course. This course is very important for you to develop an understanding about how it's like working in New Zealand in a professional, legal, ethical scenario. This NCPL course is of 3 months duration, but is segregated among 10 modules which you have to complete within 3 months. And the only thing that you need to know is that admission for this course is only allowed once in a year. And once you complete your NCPL course, now it's time for Intern Pharmacist scope of practice. Yes, you will be trained under a supervised internship. And now comes the Evolve Internship Program, which starts from February 1st and ends on November 7. Now, this internship helps you and gives you hands-on experience in your pharmacy training. Once everything is done, now it's time for you to register as a fully registered pharmacist with Pharmacy Council of New Zealand. And if you're eager to understand this entire process in detail, you can contact to Elite Expertise at any time. All you gotta do is just contact to the given numbers on the screen, or you can comment down New Zealand in the comment section. One of our admin managers are always available 24/7 to guide you, for you to develop better understanding about global pharmacy licensure exams. What are you waiting for? Just comment now. And for more such informational content, subscribe to Elite Expertise without forgetting to hit that bell icon.